makes up nearly every cell in our body. It's crucial to our good health, our physical and mental well-being. So what are we talking about? Well, water, of course, agua. And joining us today is Salila Thuy, a quality water advocate, registered nurse, yoga practitioner, and all-around active adult. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me, Olga.
Thanks for being here. Okay, so water. I think everybody out there knows the importance of water for our health, for our skin, our hair, I mean, just for everything, right? But you're a registered nurse, and I know you kind of distinguish between water and good quality water. What's the difference and why is it so vital?
So as a registered nurse, I have dealt with many patients in the hospital that live non-active lifestyles. They don't have access to clean water. They don't have, the knowledge behind good quality food as well. So when it comes to water, it's like the foundation of everything on how you heal and recover.
All right, and then when we talk about water, I'm sure a lot of those patients are drinking bottled water. Millions of people are, including me. My producer was telling me when we were in the green room, before you came on the show, that you were also a bottled water queen, right? And you switched to something else.
I switched to alkaline water. It's called Kangen.
Kangen.
Yes.
Okay, we have some video. I want to show this to our viewers. Okay, I've never seen this. Tell me what we're looking at and how it works.
So it's a water ionizer. You hook it up to your tap water, and then it gives you antioxidant-rich alkaline water.
All right, so you hook it up, and how long does the process take? Do you press a button? Is it easy?
In seconds. You just press a button, and in seconds it gives you the pH's different levels for beauty water, for drinking water, for cooking, all of those.
And how does it make a difference in our bodies and in our overall health?
It hydrates, it helps with your appearance, it detoxifies the body, just overall it helps your well-being, your mental health. For me, it helped me with my digestion. Like, it increased my digestion tremendously.
So as soon as you started drinking this water, you truly noticed a difference?
I truly noticed a difference. I absolutely did, especially with the taste.
I mean, I think of water and I think, well, water's just water. So what does it taste like?
So it's very light, very crisp to the palate. It goes down very easily, and that's what I really, really admire, because usually other like bottled water, for example, which is very unhealthy for you, I notice that it makes me feel very bloated. But with this type of water, not at all.
Interesting. I also read here, and I think it's the motto of the company. I actually love this. It says, change your water, change your life.
Yes, change your water, change your life. Yes.
That much? That really makes such a difference?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, tell me the name of the water again.
Kangen Water.
Kangen Water, I'm gonna look into it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
And if it gives me your beautiful skin, I'm gonna just drink more of it every day. Thank you so much. If you'd like more information on how you and your entire family can enjoy all the wonderful benefits of this healthy water, contact on Enagic. Is it Enagic?
Enagic.
I said it correctly. Enagic independent distributor near you, and that's ENAGIC. Enagic. Also visit our website, thebalancingAct.com.